In this video, I'm going to show you how to resize a video that you've recorded and then compress it if needed. So for example, let's have a look. I have some videos, let's see if I can find them here. I just created some videos and they're really large files. That's really big. So I want to well, first off, I want to resize them in case they're not the right size, and then I want to compress them. So how do we do that? So we go to this site, onlineconverter.com/resize-video. And what we do is we choose our file. So we want to choose our video file. We'll SEO edits in Shopify, so that's a really big file. Let's choose that one. So we've chosen it now. The size, width and height, we're going to put in the width and height. So we're going to use, I think it's 1920. Let's just check. Let me just check. Yes. 1920 by 1080, and then we're going to click resize. So as it does that, it's resizing and it's doing what it needs to do. Let me see if I've got, So we're going to let it do that. That's going to take a bit of time, but that's the first step in resizing a video. We download our video and we go to onlineconverter.com/resize-video. We choose our file and then we choose size, width and height, and then we enter in our width and our height that we want our video to be. So it's usually pretty standard to have 1920 by 1080, and we click resize and we let it do its thing. So it'll take a bit of time depending on the size of the video. So we'll stop our recording here.